Was that anyone? Yeah, that was like a full-on, like, against the side wall.
You think you can slam that door? Rhiannon and James said you did it before. You think you could do it again?
We'd really appreciate if the lady that was trying to make contact with us that night would be able to do something now.
I think this was the last time I was in a bunker, actually, was it?
It would be good if you can say the same thing on all the devices, even if it's multiple spirits, say the same thing.
So if you can hear my voice, can you please make yourself known? Okay, hi guys, we are back with another one. We are here at some barracks in Market Drayton, and we are not alone. We are joined by, I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, do we have permission to speak?
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay. Sorry.
We've got the brilliant Chris and Kim.
We're trying to behave.
So we've got the fabulous Chris and Kim from My Conjure.
Yo, what's up?
And the fabulous Lee and Simon for Three Spires. Welcome back, Si. It is a pleasure to have you back.
A long time.
Definitely.
Good night.
Definitely.
It's off around, well done.
Just let me do this.
So-
It's really annoying me. See, there's flacking right by your IR, what?
Ah, yeah.
No, it's IR.
It's R.
Arr. Thank you, Chris.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
That was the way we
I made myself laugh.
It's a bit delayed on that.
So on that note, I think we shall get into it.
Yeah.
Could you please make yourself known? Let us hear your voice.
That's just that branch scratching over there. Down the arm.
That's what we had last time. Yeah. Scared us.
Till you work out what it is.
Just try and work out which bit's actually scratching, see if we can break it.
All of it.
No, it's only a little bit.
I'll just leave it.
Yeah.
We know.
We know it's
Yeah.
there, don't we?
Yeah.
So spirits, we've all been here before. We've all experienced something, some kind of communication here. If that was you that communicated with all of us on our previous visits, can you come forward and maybe try and communicate with us again, please?
What's that? The other side of this one.
It was loud.
Did you?
I heard it.
I had it. I was actually plans for a daydream.
My static audio was
Closest to it, yeah.
Picked up on the static audio, I'm not sure.
I've got this mic, otherwise I shouldn't catch it.
Did you hear it from over there, Rhiannon, at all?
Yeah.
You did?
You're lying.
No, I know. I'm just
Could you make a loud knock twice?
Dan, sorry, did you just tap your foot?
No.
I
Hey,
did.
that behind your camera?
Are we make? Is it the female coming through again?
Me? Hey,
Did you just tap on the foot?
After.
Oh, right.
I'm saying to be after.
Right, that's what I heard, I didn't hear anything else.
I went, hey there. Oh! Like either like a hiccup sound or like a, oh!
I was just about to talk, but I didn't make that noise. I was just going to ask out.
Is someone here with us now? If so, can you come forward, let us know in some way? We're all friendly here. Try your best, use our energy, trying to communicate with us in some way. I thought I heard a bit of a mumble again then, but I don't know if it was a buzzing or not.
No, I didn't hear it.
No. I haven't heard anything yet. If that was you that made them noises just, would you be able to make them again for us? A bit louder? Maybe knock a couple of times? Can you copy me?
Can you copy me?
What was that? I heard that.
That's got to be a bally, surely.
That's got to be a what?
No, it keeps saying we don't
I'm
know.
going to say.
You asked for it.
It sounded like
Yeah, you asked for
Yeah,
it.
it sounded like a
I thought it sounded like a gurgle.
Did you?
Yeah.
I thought it was like a knock, but like what a bally could make.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
But if we're all saying we don't think it was any of us,
Certainly wasn't.
let's say, you know, you just asked for that,
Yeah.
and that was similar to what it sounded like to
Ideally,
me.
your valley sound went off, you admitted it and said, yeah, it's mine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly, and these.
Yeah.
And but I heard the noise from over there.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying, so when it does happen in its you,
Yeah.
you say.
Yeah.
So-
Right, well, all I can say is, because we've each got the mics, if it is anyone's valley, we'll pinpoint it. If
Yeah.
it's not,
Yeah,
if it's not, then
yeah.
it's not, is it?
Just saying, no, it's probably Kim's then.
No, I didn't say
No,
that. I said
remember
you.
last time we had this where we had you were saying to me, I was saying to you, you saying, no, it should go back.
No, it wasn't a joke.
So without an explanation then, if that was someone who's here with us now, can you do it again for us, please? Thank you for that.
Should we try it again? See if we can get a response. Is that when you did that?
So, if that was you, Joss, can you come to me again, please?
Is that moving tired?
I didn't think that I heard a movement.
Did you?
Yeah.
I might have misheard them, but that's kind
But I did hear some kind of movement, but I never heard it.
I didn't hear anything.
No, I don't think I heard anything on either.
It's hard because it's so echoey. You've got the elements outside because obviously the building's so much of a shell. You know, anything can make a noise, can't it?
Yeah.
In these circumstances. It could be an animal. Or it could genuinely be a spirit trying to make contact, but
It's all perspective though as well, isn't it?
Mm.
Everyone sees it differently and thinks it's something.
something like a right case. And again.
Just listen a minute. Just listen. I was going to say it was a plane, but it wasn't.
No.
Sounded like it was
Like
a.
a woman, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It sounded like a female voice.
Yeah.
Bit like a,
Yeah.
that type of
Like a
normal.
little
But you said you heard a noise.
It was more like a knock.
A knock.
More like a knock.
Let's just go silent because I can hear it so sure.
Yeah, the knock. Did you move then, Lee?
I did.
Are you doing that? No, it was almost like someone just went there.
I say just let's be quiet and see
Yeah.
the elements or what we can hear.
No, and it's not the wind because the wind picks up quite heavy then.
That was a honestly, I believe it's day like a
And how
woman.
you did after? How you did after?
It was like constant then for a few seconds, like a good 30 seconds or more.
I didn't hear it for that one. I heard it like a woods.
No,
No, I
after
after that,
that's when I was trying to get people to quiet because I thought, is it a plane going over because you sometimes
Yeah,
get more,
yeah.
but then there was no continuation of it and you'd hear it for a while.
Did you two hear it again after like
I did.
Yeah.
I heard it
It was
twice.
for longer, it was like a conversation.
It sounded like, how I would explain it, two women say outside in the distance, and you know when you can just hear like a mumbling from
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
I heard two mumbles.
Yeah, it's like if Kim and Rihanna in that room
Yeah.
and they started
Mhm.
talking like lightly, you would hear them.
Yeah.
Be interesting to see if we could see.
Yeah, what you're describing is what me and Simon call it in the bunker.
And we got that before.
Yeah, we did. We got that in this place as well.
Interesting.
I'm just wondering, was it you who should call that last?
Oh yeah, I did, yeah.
Me, that's last time, and then you are you communicating? Is it like in you or whatever it is?
Should I run mine as well, or?
Why not?
What, that?
Should we just do all of them?
Come on, before you have
Yeah, might bring up a sentence.
Let's see if they'll like the conversation. Cursed. Right, you ready? Should we all put them on the phone in front of, on the floor in front
Yeah.
of us? So how many ghost tubes have we got?
What we're doing, guys, is we've got multi-ghost tube action going on.
Oh, they're all going on.
We've all got our ghost tube apps open. And it's like what Chris said, you never know if they can string a sentence together.
So
Yeah.
we've got
That'd be-
one,
And if they could direct answers to the person that's asking.
so we've literally got 6 ghost tubes running.
Oh, my first thing's, I've had Callie come out.
Kelly.
Callie, because obviously they're looking
That's
for a name.
interesting.
Well, this is a new one.
Listen, you're going to have a laugh, aren't you?
Well, if the apps say they communicate or can be communicated with,
It's like a pentagram, the version of ghost tubes.
you could say actually, if there is spirits here, there's the
Oh, that's mine!
I forgot.
Don't leave me! Why did that sound dead?
Mine doesn't think it's not for you, man, said, but why's mine not loud?
Have you got the volume not on?
Volume, yeah.
Attic.
Oh,
Right, we're on. It's working.
So mine said, don't leave me.
tell us your name, where you're from, age. Can you say one of our names? I'm Chris.
I'm Kim.
I'm Rianne.
I'm Lee.
I'm Simon.
I'm James.
Damage.
What was that like?
Something just moved.
I heard like a woman's voice again.
I think it's the dog.
I think it's
Dogs.
Definitely, I think it's the dogs.
Are you saying this place is damaged?
Monster.
Monster.
Australia.
That was when I nearly chucked it.
There's a crate down there that says Tasmania, Australia.
Okay. Can you bang on that crate? Can you move that crate for us now? Can you drag it?
This is strange.
This is strange.
I want to stay.
I want to stay.
You're more than welcome to.
Female.
Female?
Female.
Can you tell us your name? If you're a female.
I just had a bang down.
I did that.
Are you trying to move that crate?
That's where it is down there. Where the cameras, the locked off screens.
So guys, plan of action. We are splitting off now. So there's me, Kim and Lisa. He's coming with us girlies. We're going to head out to one of the sort of buildings, and then there's Chris, Simon and James who are heading down to the bunker. So yeah, we'll see what we get.
Okay, spirits, this is my first time down in this bunker. Simon and Craig, who I'm with here, have been down before. Chris, sorry. Craig. Yeah, it's because of Craig, isn't it? That's what came mixed up. Yeah, so Simon and Chris have been down here before. They've both had experiences. If there is anyone here with us now, can you give us a nice clear knock? My tummy went, but there was knocking. Boom, boom. Not sure if I could hear Lee still then, or if I heard a man's voice.
I think I could hear him still at the distance.
Yeah. Can you copy this? I can find my hand. That could just be the floor settling where I've walked, just. Maybe. That was knocking. Do you hear that?
Yeah, loud and clear. Can you do that again? Sounded like echoes.
Yeah, that's a better knock than what I was trying. It's a horribly surface ever to knock on this, it proper wrecks your knuckles. Can you walk above us?
What better going a bit?
So you can tell the difference between the sound of that and then like the knocking that we were hearing before. So you both had like female in here as well, rather than male?
Only in here.
Yeah.
Not in any of the other buildings. Yeah, just out here. Last time I was here, it was about a year ago, and I heard female voices. Think I could hear you again?
I'm just trying to think what that knocking could have been, because we've not heard it since, have we? So the automatic thought is it could be something, you know, tapping against it, blowing against it.
Yeah.
But we've not heard it since at all.
Can you do that tapping again, spirits? Blind yourself. Can you copy me? What's that tap? Behind you.
I didn't hear it that time.
Can you copy me?
It's a car in the very far distance.
I was walking.
I didn't hear I didn't hear movement, I could just hear like a drone kind of noise.
It's hard, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
when you're listening so hard, and then your brain plays tricks on you.
Yeah, and if you're hearing something that you think, oh, that explains that, you might, because you're so focused on like, I could hear like a drone, you could hear, couldn't you, so as well, like a car in the distance. So we were both focused on that, whereas you were listening outside. Yeah, because you can't really listen to two things at once. Can you try your best to give us a nice clear knock again? Use our energy.
So yeah guys, this is the barn where me and James investigated last time. And it's where we heard, so back there's this door, and me and James were stood here and the door slammed and there wasn't any wind or anything, so hopefully it'll happen again tonight.
That would be a weird one, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
How did you know it was pigs?
Just a random guess.
I suppose the farmer would have built this.
Yeah.
Separately,
It would have been
because-
separate.
Yeah.
The blocks are pretty new
Yeah,
as
they
well.
are.
Mhm.
They're like air bricks, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was just a guess of pigs.
Yeah, I think so. Something like that, or
Yeah.
goats or something. Right then.
Right, should we go lights out?
I'm already lights out, me.
We shall go lights out. Let's do it. Okay, so spirits. We've now moved into one of the barns. And when me and James were here last time, you slammed a door.
Sorry. Sorry, mate. I can't see nothing. I'm gone. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Bear with.
I can't see where I am. Right. I think I'm okay now.
Yeah. Okay, so last time you made that door down there bang for us. We tried to debunk it, but we couldn't. So if that was you and you can hear my voice, could you do that again for us, please? If you're struggling for energy, you can use ours.
This is me moving my feet.
This is a thing I'm trying not to use.
Mm-hmm.
My feet are right.
You're treading on, I don't even know what I'm treading on.
If there's any spirits here with us tonight that want to communicate with us in any way at all, could you do it now, please? Could you shut that door?
Excuse me.
Could you make a bang? Do anything at all for us now, please.
No.
If there are any spirits here in this barn, so I've just heard something by the door then, but it's windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a bit of a breeze at the moment, yeah.
If there are any spirits down here in this room,
My tummy's just gone.
it's okay. We don't mean any harm, we come with respect. Respect for the people that used to serve in this building.
Did any of you hear that?
No.
Like
What?
a deep rumble, like a...
No, I didn't
I
hear
didn't hear
that.
that. Might have been I did move my tripod, but
Possibly. I don't know.
we've got respect for the building. We've got respect for the people that served here. I'm not sure if you know this spirit, but it's been 80 years since the D-Day landings.
Yes, just yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
actually.
80 years. And people still celebrate what the armed forces did.
We just want to say thank you to you all for
Yeah.
what you did. What you did for all of us that are here today.
We wouldn't be standing here now if it wasn't for people in the armed forces and what they did 80 years ago.
Listen, did you hear that?
I don't.
It went a bunk and then it went doo 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 doo.
No, I didn't hear it.
I 100% heard something then. Did you hear that bang then?
No.
It sounds as if like a car door shutting, but there's no cars here, is there? It's the opposite end the road is. We're the furthest away from the road at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
That is you, Spirit, trying to bang and get our attention. Do you think you could do it again for us, please? Nice and loud if you can.
What was it?
We heard a dragon was down there this time.
That was when you'd done the locked off, wasn't it? Yeah. So we're in darkness down here now. Maybe that makes you feel more comfortable. Don't know if that was above here or in the distance. Did you hear a big bang?
Yeah, sounded in the distance.
Can you come and do that over us? You stomp on us? You could walk through us now and we wouldn't see you. If you were a soldier, could you come and march around us, please?
My name's Chris.
My name's Simon.
My name's James.
We're paranormal investigators. Documenting anything that's paranormal, life after death, spiritual, demonic, anything of the sort. Can you help us in our investigation? Don't be scared. All these lights and devices won't harm you. They're all for the documentation. Can you just tap, bang, or breathe, or even come to one of these devices and talk?
Looks like an air siren going off there. Yeah.
You want to call me?
Yeah. If the ladies are down here that I heard last time, it'd be great if I could hear you again.
Okay, so we've put a device in the doorway. If you go close to it, it'll light up and make a noise. We've also got another device on the floor, which is like sweeping through radio stations. We welcome you to come forward and pass a message on to us. Is anyone here with us now? That's a rare one. That's one we don't go off very often.
Yeah. Behind you?
Yeah, that's me.
No.
It's moving my leg, was it?
Aaron. Or hello, something like that.
Who's here with us now, please?
You can slam that door. Aaron James said you did it before. You can do it again, just before we go. Excuse me.
Oh, I thought that was a bang then.
No, it was me. I got windy pops.
Please, windy
It's been coming out my mouth, hasn't it?
So is there no one here with us at the moment then? Can you hear that? Because that's what I was hearing just.
What is it?
I don't know, but do you not think it sounds like pigeons? Like double, double?
I reckon it's Chris Jones and Simon screaming for their lives. But I'm not hearing any
No, I'm
activity,
not.
if I'm honest with you.
No. I'm not hearing nothing
No.
other than wind.
Thought that was a cow then,
I heard
moving.
like a ooh.
Yeah. Thought that was a cow then,
I heard
moving.
like a ooh.
Yeah.
What was that?
Sounded like a cow mooing,
Did it?
but we're not near.
I don't know where the nearest farm is. If
No.
I'm honest with
That way. Over there.
Yeah. I mean, is it worth like sort of like the last 5 minutes or so just going outside and just calling out there just to see if we get anything?
I'm
Yeah,
all for that.
Yeah. Because obviously that's where they'd be like walking constantly.
Yeah, that'll be their communal area,
Yeah.
won't it? Or marching maybe.
Let's go outside. Okay guys, so that is it for another investigation. We caught a few little bits, but we'll just wait until we go back over the footage. But it's been another brilliant night again with these lovely lot. So Lee, Simon, Chris and Kim, and obviously also James.
Thank you all so much for watching, guys, and join us on the next one. Bye for now.
Take care everyone.